Tay. Come on, Taylor.
Should have saw that one.
You see all that over there?
Come on. Look.
Come on out, look. Come on, Tay. Look. What's out there? Yes. Look at it.
Right past the tree into the dogs. Come on, Ella.
Come on out.
Say Merry Christmas, Jordy. Give Jordy a kiss. There's the presents. Are you okay? Those are Christmas presents. Yeah. Mommy left
Can I
those
see that real quick?
in there.
Bring that right here.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Is that your stocking?
See that real quick.
What is that?
Candy!
Yay!
What else is in there? Careful, it'll break.
You want me to hold that for you? Oh, you want to open that? You want to bust right into that? Let's wait till later.
Look
Let's
at
see what else
look
is
what
in
else
there.
is in there.
Look what else is in your stocking. What's that? Is that candy too? Oh,
Okay.
check what else is in there.
What else is in there?
Hand me that. In a minute I will. Look what's in here. What's in there? Gum! What else? What else is in there? Let me hold your gum. Look what's in there. Put your hand in there.
Can you get it?
No, Taylor. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is it?
Maybe keep digging. There may be a pot roast. No, not now. In a minute we can have a couple. Is there any more in there?
No, that's it.